Hello, Don Elliott with Tierra Antigua here. And today I wanted to talk about when buyers know it's time to buy or when you're ready. At the beginning of this year, I have a long list of buyers, and in the second half of this year, I have found that none of them have pulled the trigger. Sales have been down, and I was really wondering why that is. All of them seem very motivated to buy, ready to buy, um, had everything in place, and then never purchased a home. So I began doing a little research, and while there are some people who just weren't as financially ready as they thought, meaning that they need a little more time to save up for down payment or fix their credit score up a little bit. The big thing that seems to be holding people back is the interest rates. So over the last year, the interest rates have gone up and we have been consistently above 6%, sometimes even above 7%. And this seems to be a real pausing factor for people. And when I did a little more research, surveys have shown that more than 50% of buyers have said they're ready to pull the trigger as soon as rates go below 6%. Well, unfortunately, the research is also showing that that is very unlikely to happen. Looking ahead to 2025, it does not look like interest rates are going to be dropping below 6, probably going to hold steady between 6 and 7. That's just where we're at right now. So historically, these are actually still really good rates. If you talk to people who purchased 10, 20 years ago, they were happy to get interest rates in the 8s, 9s, even 10s. People are financing up to 16% for their houses. Now, granted, houses cost a lot less back then, so the interest rate wasn't as scary. But a 6 to 7% interest rate really is not bad for real estate. So I just wanted to reframe this for any of you who are out there thinking about home buying, ready to buy, ready to upgrade, ready to downsize, ready to change cities. That if you're waiting for the interest rates to get below 6%, again, this probably is not going to happen next year. And if you're otherwise ready, I encourage you to pull the trigger. My reasons for this are that real estate is always a good investment as long as you are financially ready. It's always better to pay your own mortgage than someone else's mortgage and build your own equity instead of someone else's. And if you have motivating factors to move, now is your time. If you have questions about this, if you want to discuss it further, if you want to know numbers or the research, give me a call, text, email. I am happy to talk about it further. Thanks and have a great day.